You first.
You first.
Right?
Okay, good.
Ah.
Doesn't that hurt?
All right.
Okay, so
Drop
you
it to
guys
the
are tied
side.
still.
Wait. Yeah.
Okay, go.
You can't pick it up.
Go.
Oh.
Yeah. Got hard.
I didn't think you'd do
Eggs
that
are
one
good
so
for your
quick.
hair. That's good.
Oh God, Julie, no, bruise.
That's so hard.
Oh.
Okay, Dad has to do some.
Oh, that was Max. There's only one more left.
No, man.
Gross. Okay, there's one more left. Tim, you do
Okay,
it.
Dad, you have to do one. No, you have to do one.
No, I don't want to.
Dad.
Okay, there's one more left, you guys. Each pick one.
Whoever gets it wins.
Whoever gets it. Well, if Max gets it, he loses.
Alright, ready, set, go.
Oh, it's down to the last.
Okay.
Okay, you guys have to go at the same
Okay,
time.
ready?
Ready?
One.
Set, go.
Ah! Yeah!
Tied. It was a tie. That's hilarious.
Wait, eggs are good for your hair?
Oh man!
Julian.
Stephanie.
Alright, I'll just